Something stirs beneath the skin, a quiet yes to change within. I feel the charge, I do not strike. I hold the heat and choose the light. What once reacted now can see the pattern asking to be free. Old structures crack, not out of hate, but love that will not tolerate. I feel the moment asking why these walls were built, these truths denied. If fear once ruled the way we stood, understanding shifts the ground. This is revolution, born from clarity. Not a fight against the world, but a change in how we see. I don't burn it down in rage, I rebuild with care. From reaction into choice, a future we can share. In close connection, systems fall. When hearts refuse to harden walls, I speak the truth, I listen to. A deeper way is coming through. What needs to end will end with grace. When love replaces fear in place, I stand for change that serves the whole. Not the tribe, but every soul. This is revolution, moving slow and sure, transforming what divides us into something pure. No more enemies to blame, no sides to choose. I let compassion lead the way and make the world anew. Stagnant ground begins to breathe when hidden pain is finally seen. Understanding breaks the chain and peace becomes more than a name. This is revolution, written in our bones, a turning of the human heart that none of us outgrows. I walk the change I wanna see with patience and resolve. From reaction into love, the future